Hello, welcome back to Wolvespirit Productions. We have a couple of packages to open for you today. This first one, I'm trying to figure out where the best place to open it is. Okay. It is a book that David ordered recently. If y'all been watching us for a while, you know we love our Legos, which there's a bunch of Legos back there on the shelves that we've built. Well, eventually one of the things we would love to be able to do is buy and sell or resell Legos and for an investment. So David's been looking into doing that recently, and he ordered this book, Winning Sets Secrets, The Underground Secrets for Picking Winning Brick Investments by Shane O'Farrell. So this is the book that we ordered. And there's a lot more than just the book, but this is the part that was sent to us. Welcome to the Crazy Few. So this is Bricks, Bucks, Ignite. It's like a whole showing you what kind of sets will be good for investing and how much, I guess, to sell them for and all that kind of stuff. Right, David?
Yeah.
You know more about this system than I do.
Basically, how to do the research and find the sets that are likely to increase in value that would make good investments.
If y'all are interested, here's the book. I'll put the link down in the description to, was it a video or a website you found this on?
Website.
Okay. I'll put that link down in the description if anybody else is interested in this. And then we have one other package to open for you. This one, I should probably get this video up pretty quick because in April, there is a Eclipse coming, April 8th in the U.S. And they're kind of rare, especially for in the U.S. So we are planning on being in Waco, Texas, which is one of the places you'll be able to see it for over 4 minutes, a total eclipse. And we ordered this. It's 2 glasses, 2 things to put on your phone to do video and pictures. So we'll be doing that and posting those, let you see what we saw, hopefully. And this was a thing that David found online. Of course, you never want to look directly into the sun, even in an eclipse. So that's why we got the glasses to help with that. But we'll have videos about the eclipse also when that happens. But that's it. That's all we have for today. We are separating out our unboxings a little better. Legos in one video, BarkBox in a separate video. And we just had 2 other packages for you. So we hope you enjoyed watching this, and let me know if you have plans for the eclipse on April 8th, 2024. Or if you're looking into investing in Legos, or if you collect them, or, right now we're just collecting Legos, but we will eventually be investing and reselling and try to make some money. You want to add anything, David?
No.
Of course not. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see y'all in the next one.